Good morning. Good morning. This is Don at stockmarketcaddy.com, and I'm making this very short message for everyone, actually. Our annual members, our monthly members, folks that may be following us, and folks that might be passing through. We learn a lot from our members. We really do. It's a two-way street. And I try to be a catalyst or a conduit so that we can learn from each other, share the things that are working, share the things that aren't. One of the things that I've learned over the last couple of months is the challenge that members have had in making the transition from what we would call discretionary trading to fully mechanical trading. And we've learned a lot about this process. And we have now learned to make very specific suggestions on how to make that step. So if you are an annual member, you are a monthly member, you are a passerby, and you want to talk to me about the steps involved in moving from what we would call discretionary trading to mechanical trading, please reach out. Certainly, if you're a member, please reach out, and you know how to get hold of me. For those that are not members, you're always welcome to give me a call at 813-758-8263. It isn't as easy as just taking a strategy from any place and just plugging it in and having it run. You do need to have an acquired skill, but you do need to take some very specific steps to begin to make the transition whereby when you begin to turn the corner to mechanical trading, what will happen is the following. The machine will be putting in the vast majority of all the orders. If not all of them, the vast majority. You will go from maybe 80 or 90% of your orders being put on by you, like, oh, I think this is happening, I think this is going on, I see this, I see that, and putting it on, wanting to be in control, to sitting back in your chair, standing on a treadmill, standing at your desk, and letting the machine put you in. When the machine puts you in the beginning, it's a bit uncomfortable because you may feel as though you're not in control, but you are in control. The machine is only going to make you a better trader. It's not going to supplant your trading. When the machine puts you in, the machine is also equipped to take you out in the event of a negative outcome. The machine will not win every single trade, no more than anyone else. But what the machine can do better than a human being is to operate what we call a prevent defense. A prevent defense. We don't want the market to score a touchdown over and over and over against you. We don't want negative outliers. And it's the machine that can prevent negative outliers from happening. Can you intervene on a strategy, on a mechanized approach? Yes, you can. In fact, when you truly get in sync and get the practice and follow the suggestions that we will give you, what will happen is you will only be taking profits, which is a beautiful thing. Because the machine is putting you in, it's keeping you in, it's preventing the losses, it'll take the losses. If you intervene, it's only to take the profit. Psychologically, that's a beautiful thing. Let me read you the note that this gentleman, and I want to maintain his privacy. I don't think he'll mind, but I'm going to maintain his privacy. He is an annual member, and we had a discussion about making the transition a few weeks ago. And he writes, can you send me the HFT2 strategy, maybe this weekend, in which we are. We're going to send it to him and all our annual members because he was seeing the success. he hadn't been running that strategy, but he's now beginning to explore other strategies. But he writes, update. I've been in Orlando this week, so I haven't had too much time to devote to watching the market. But I have had another good week of running the Zinger, which is basically swing machine, trying to mimic being in the market as little as possible. Sunday night, I made $1,000 in an hour and a half running 3 micro MES and MNQ. Monday morning, I made another $600 doing the same thing. I didn't make any trades Tuesday or yesterday. This morning, which is Thursday, October 7th, this morning I've made $1,500 on mainly nat gas, but $100 from 3 micro MNQ. That also includes a $400 loss on nat gas, all just running the strategies from 7 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. this morning. Now, embedded in this message are the specific steps that this gentleman and I discussed a few weeks ago, and I am eager and happy to discuss that with certainly our annual members and our monthly members as well. We don't present our strategies or our approach as a holy grail. No such thing exists. You cannot buy a set of golf clubs. You cannot watch one video and go out and play a competitive round of golf. Is the equipment important? Oh, yes, it is. Is the instruction important? Oh, yes, it is. But you do need to practice, and you need to practice the right things. So if you're out there passing by, or if even possibly a member, and you're struggling at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me, especially a member. It's okay. I learn. We've been doing this now a long time, and we've been running Stock Market Caddy, but I continue to learn each and every day, each and every week. And as we work with various people working on their part of their game, we also learn how better to pass on some instruction, and we try to do that. I won't quit on anyone. Okay, I won't. But it's okay. It's okay if you just say, you know, this isn't for me, and this isn't something that I want to do. And Don, by the way, take me off your mailing list. Okay, I'm not trying to spam anybody with a holy grail story or this is an easy story. I'm not. Our contact with everyone is to inspire, hopefully to stimulate some ideas, to share with you the success that we're having, that others are having, in hopes that it might inspire you to have the same success or more success. But it's entirely up to you. We wish everyone the best, and this gentleman will know who he is. Thank you so much. It isn't about the money, too, by the way. I didn't calculate the money, and he's also shared with me he's got a very, very healthy profit factor, which is what it is about. But it's the process, because this type of trading that we're doing, it's all scalable. Another person may be trading a mini. Another person may be trading 10 minis. It's scalable. The process that this gentleman has done will be the same when he migrates to even a larger positions. So, or anyone else for that matter. But you do need the right equipment, the right tools, the right instruction, and you need the right practice. We wish everyone the best, and to this gentleman, thank you, and everyone.